Senior Superintendent, St. Ann Division.
Dwight Powell. Okay, go ahead.
So we're here this morning in Golden Grove as we had promised that we'll be advancing our search in this year for missing teacher Miss Rochelle Williams. We have been receiving information, credible information, that she may have been seen in this year from more than one sources. So we are here this morning with a search team consisting of teachers from the Marcus Garvey High School, as also representative from the Jamaica Teachers Association. Of course, we are gratified to be partnering with them, and so we will be combing this community to see what we can get. We are hoping that at the end of the search, we'll be able to sing a victory song that at least Rochelle is safe. So we are about to step off, and we are hoping for the best as it relates to what we are likely to get from this event today. So again, we're going to appeal to the community. We're going to appeal to the entire St. Ann and the entire Jamaica. If there's any information that can help us to locate Miss Rochelle Williams, we are appealing for people to come forward, speak with any other police station, speak with us, so that we'll be in a position to do what is necessary with a view to bring her safely back to her family.
So I'm Lasonia Harrison, President-elect of the Jamaica Teachers Association. We are here standing in solidarity with our colleagues of the Marcus Garvey Technical High School. We're here for searching for our colleague Rochelle Williams. We are praying that today's efforts will bear us some fruit. We join with the High Command of the St. Ann Senior Superintendent Powell is here with us, and a myriad of police officers. We are heartened by the support of the police in this endeavor, and we are thankful to them, the association and the teaching fraternity across the length and breadth of this nation. So we are appealing, we're joining with the call that any Jamaican, anyone in St. Ann who has any information, we want to see our colleague return to teaching and to her duties, and for her to return safely to her family. We are praying God to guide us, for God to guide us in our endeavors today, that it will bear fruit. We hold out hope that our colleague will return to us safely.